Good morning and welcome to Ma'am Talks. I'm Kathy.
And I'm Anna. And today, in the spirit of embracing getting older, we're going to make a chocolate mug cake.
A chocolate mug?
Yes.
Like a mug?
In a mug. Because this keto diet is killing me because I haven't had any chocolate.
Oh, so this is keto?
This is keto. Okay. So, we're going to start right away because I can't wait to try it. I hope it works. So we've got a mug and I'm going to put in a tablespoon of melted, softened butter.
So real butter.
Real butter. And it's supposed to be melted in the microwave. Should I melt it? It's so soft.
Yeah.
What do you think?
I'd leave it.
And then I've got, already I'm not following the recipe. I got 2 tablespoons of almond flour and 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder.
Okay.
And I bought organic cocoa powder.
Of course you did.
Okay.
At Whole Foods.
No. Then I've got a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and a 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. Okay. Here, you can do the 1 egg.
Oh, great. The one thing that can get messed up. You know what? I'm going to do it in this in case any shells get in. Because you can never find the shells in there.
Now, it's supposed to have a tablespoon of cream, heavy cream. But I don't have any heavy cream because I don't like it.
Look at that. Not a
Just
not a shell in sight, but oh man,
that's okay. Here, use one of our napkins.
I don't like to be dirty.
Okay, then so I don't like cream, so I have a tablespoon of coconut milk.
Now, will that work? Coconut milk instead of cream?
Yeah, I've seen it used in recipes.
Okay, Anna. If it messes up, we know it's not my fault.
Listen, I'm so desperate for chocolate. I'm gonna love it, no matter what. All right, so that's it. Oh no. Then I need a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla, and this is real vanilla.
I'll never measure vanilla. I'm just boop.
Well,
you really measure it.
I'm trying to follow recipes.
That wasn't a full 1/4. You cheated.
You know what? Forget it. I never follow recipes, so this is like the first time I do something, and then after this, it's like, I remember, and then I don't.
And that's honey?
And that's honey. Now, they're asking you to use stevia, but I have tried every sugar substitute, and I cannot stand the aftertaste.
So how do you know 10 drops of stevia is going to be equal to a teaspoon of honey?
Because I'm just going by the taste of sugar, of the sweetness. And a 1/4 teaspoon of honey has only, 5 grams of carbs for 1 tablespoon. So a 1/4 is a 1/4 of that. So I'm okay with this.
Okay.
Kathy, don't get me all confused. Okay, now we have to really stir. That's it. Now you really stir.
You might want to whisk it. Do you have a whisk?
No, I don't have a whisk.
You don't have a whisk?
No.
Serious?
You know what? I think I got rid of them. You know, in this initial coronavirus mode where everybody was cleaning everything and getting rid of stuff, I got rid of a lot of stuff.
Who get rid of a whisk? I have to buy you one.
Yeah. Now,
your birthday, November.
Oh, there you go. I had these little spatulas too, which would have been great for this. Nope. You know what?
You gave me that one whisk where you push it down.
I know, it's so cute. I got rid of mine.
You're so sweet.
Because I hadn't used it. Because I don't bake.
Well, you are now.
I know. Well,
desperate times.
I don't consider this baking. Okay.
That's quite interesting.
What do you think?
I think you need a whisk.
I think I need a whisk.
Well, are you let me see.
By the way, this thing,
I'm a baker.
This thing, this little spatula thing, or not spatula. What is this? What is this called?
This?
A spatula, right?
It's a spoon.
It came from Iceland. I'm so excited.
You don't even have the chocolate mixed in, Anna.
Really?
Yeah. It's all caked down at the bottom.
Well, then you put it in the microwave for 60 minutes or 60 seconds. 60 or 50 seconds if you want like the lava inside. Oh my God, I'm just dying for this chocolate.
Well, you'll see. The butter probably should have been melted.
Yeah.
You should have used a whisk. But we'll see. It might come out amazing. So
if it does.
If it does.
Wait, it has a lump in the top.
Look, here, look. Stir it like that. Don't put the spoon back in because you have to clean it again.
All right. So that's it.
Good. That's good.
We're gonna put it in the microwave.
How many minutes?
60 seconds.
Oh, 60 seconds.
But I'm gonna put it in 50 so I can have the chocolate lava in the middle.
Go for it.
Okay. All right.
Do 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 do. So you're doing keto like
Yeah.
100%.
Yes.
So no more vegan.
No more vegan.
Now keto.
Now keto.
Okay.
My body is an experiment, not a temple. My body's an experiment.
So how long have you been doing keto now?
Since the 4th of July.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
I didn't know that.
Yeah.
So do you notice anything different between doing that?
That's another video.
Well, just for now, just.
Yes, I have.
Okay.
Yes, I have.
So you like keto better?
I don't know yet. It depends on the results. I'll talk to you.
What do you want to have happen?
I want to lose inches. I don't want to lose weight because I'm thin enough. I want to lose inches in the right place.
So if you lose inches, though, you're going to lose weight.
I know, but I'm trying to up the exercise so I can develop muscle.
Okay. Mm-hmm. Gotcha. I know, they want you to exercise, but then when you exercise, you build muscle up, then you start gaining weight.
Okay, here it is.
Does it look correct?
Well, what do you think?
This is your recipe, go for it.
No, I had to. Here, I'm going to get another spoon so we can both try.
Well, here, let's see if they can see this. Yeah, see? It looks like it has a lava in the middle.
Oh, come on. Here.
That's what you wanted.
Yes, I know. You're just here. You got a spoon too.
Well, you need to take some of your lava. That's what you wanted.
Oh yeah, let me get lava.
Okay, here we go.
Okay, wait. I'm going to bring this up so that you can see it. See it? See how delicious it looks? What do you think? No?
It's really awful. I had to just get it down before.
You know what it tastes like? It tastes like chocolate scrambled egg. It's horrible.
Oh, you're gonna have more?
Well,
Oh,
not even the lava. Nothing.
No.
Nothing good about it.
this is called a
Failure.
fail, which is okay because we want to know that if you guys ever decide to make this, don't.
First of all, it's so salty.
Why is it so salty?
I don't know.
And it tastes like you took a spoonful of that cocoa,
Organic cacao that doesn't have
cow,
any
whatever
sugar.
they call it, and put it in your mouth with water. Yeah, I do not recommend.
This is horrible.
But we have another recipe or two coming, and I can promise you they won't be
Here's
horrible.
the thing. You look at all these videos on keto and people are making these mug cakes. And, oh my God, this is so delicious.
But
This
first
is
of all,
horrible.
I probably would have not put any salt in it.
But it says to put in the salt.
I would have used real cream, and I would have used sugar and not all these stupid things.
But that defeats the whole purpose.
You can't
of the
have sugar with keto?
No, absolutely no sugar.
Well, you didn't put much of this in. I would have put more in then, if that's what you were trying to do. Well, it's been great.
this is horrible.
Oh.
Thank you so much for joining us. Don't forget to click those share and like buttons. And if you've got a better way of doing this, please tell me. Because now I got this humongous bag of this organic cocoa powder.
You can use it for other
cacao
stuff.
powder. I don't know what, I don't bake, I don't know, you know. Oh, what a waste of an egg.
Okay, and remember our website, www.mamtalks.com. New stuff on there?
Yes.
Okay, so new stuff on there. And please, on our YouTube channel, Mam Talks, like, subscribe,
Hit the little bell. Hit the little bell.
hit the little bell, everything. And just keep watching. Thank you so much for being a part of this. And remember
Thank
to
you.
keep embracing getting older with us. Bye.
Bye.